Hello, welcome to Ms. Shaw's phonics learning video for Monday. We are on Unit 1, Week 2. We are going to be working with medial short A, pronounced ah. Medial is just a fancy way of saying in the middle. So all of the words we're working on this week have a middle sound of ah. Here's a picture card of an astronaut. This week we're going to be working with the short ah sound in the middle of words, known as medial ah. Here's a short video that can show you all about short ah. If you click on the link, it should take you directly to the YouTube video. Objective. What will I do today? Today, I will demonstrate phonological awareness by identifying words that have the medial short ah sound. You are going to be using your student journal, page 54. Today, I will identify and match the common sound that letters represent, short ah sound, on page 55. These are your TEKS that you're going to be working with. Texas Essential Knowledge and Skills. What your child is going to need to know in kindergarten. Here are some words with the short ah medial sound. So we're going to go over these together. The first picture is a picture of a bat. Listen to how I say the word. You're going to look for the medial sound ah. B-at, bat. F-an, fan. Y-ak, yak. K-at, cat. So sometimes the short A sounds like this, ah, ah, ah. And sometimes the short A sounds like this, ah, ah, ah. In these words, the short A sound is ah, ah, as in apple. So I'm going to repeat these again and listen for the short A sound in the middle that sounds like ah. Bat, fan, yak, cat. All of those have the short A medial sound. Here's what you're going to work on today. In your student journal, you're going to turn to page 54. This is all about middle sounds. Middle sounds is the same as saying medial. They mean the same thing. So for page 54, you're going to look at all of these pictures. You're going to listen for the middle sound in the pictures, the sound you hear in the middle of the word. If you hear a short A that sounds like this, ah, you're going to circle the picture. If you do not hear the sound in the middle, ah, you're not going to circle the picture. The first one is showing you a picture of a bag, B-a-g. The middle sound is ah, so I'm going to circle it because it has the middle sound ah. Here we have a hat or a cap, either way is okay. We have a b-a-g, bug, and we have a p-an, pan. Circle the words that you think have the same middle sound as the word b-a-g. Now let's look at the second group of pictures. This is a picture of a bat, a baseball bat, not the animal bat. So listen to the sounds. B-at, bat. You're going to circle the pictures that have the same middle sound as b-at. We have the picture 6, ix. Van, v-a-n. And dog, d-o-g. Circle the picture that has the same middle sound as b-a-g. Good. Now turn to page 55. On this page, we're going to be working with the short A spelled A. The short A sounds like this, ah, ah. So once again, this is another picture of a b-ag, a bag. That has this middle sound of the short A. So I'm going to circle the picture, and then I'm going to trace or write the capital A and the lowercase a on this line next to it. The first one has been done. This is a bag. B-ag. Yes, that has a short A sound. Ah. Now I'm going to trace over the capital A and the lowercase a. Your job is to work on the next pictures. So you're going to say the picture. You're going to think to yourself, does that sound like ah in the middle? If you say yes, then you're going to circle the picture and then write the capital A and the lowercase a. If it does not sound like the short A in the middle, ah, you're not going to write anything. Extra challenge, if you choose to, you can try to write either the middle sound or the beginning sound of the other words. But that will be extra. You don't have to do that. So I'm going to tell you what our pictures are of. This is a f-a-n, fan. A b-e-d, bed. M-e-n, man. F-ox, fox. And a k-at, cat. Now you're going to try on your own. So complete pages 54 and 55 in your student journal.